Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can record the video or take picture with your E88 air drone. Okay, as you can see now we already connect the remote to the drone, and please make sure you already insert the SD card to the remote control so the video will capture from your remote control. You can see the image rotation on the drone, and to take a picture press this button and you can see the photo tick, and record the video press this video button, and you can now see the video recording time on here, and you can rotate the drone, and I will place the video on the screen here so you can see the quality of this drone. Okay, to stop record you need to just press the same button, stop recording. Okay, you can see now the time of the video stop. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can record a video on the E88 air drone. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.